Want my latest market insights? My latest report, Sentiment Has Turned, is now available. Scan this QR code or click on the link in the description. What is also good this morning is that those who have been short Netflix, wow, beautiful. So Netflix started to roll over in distribution, started to really like flatline and get weaker and weaker. Even the bounces were weaker, couldn't get above this monthly. Anyway, long story short, it did a fabulous gap down and has not looked back. So we had a little bounce here. We had a little 10-for-1 split. And then I said that was resistance. And sure enough, it was another pathetic excuse for a bounce at the 200. And then it failed again and then bounced into the 21-day. But you can see clearly on the weekly, which is why I love the weekly, how this was already in distribution. Just gorgeous. Pathetic excuse for a bounce week after week after week. Could not even get back above this 113. And then 106 was my price target. It overshot, bounced back into the 106, overshot a little bit, then you can see it on daily. Here's your 21, and here's this wick, and big, beautiful bearish engulfing is in play for the week. And then news this morning, you'll see it over here when we open, that it's down into the 99.90 area, otherwise known as 100. Actually, it's through the 99.99 area, and this is because they are spending buku bucks to buy Warner Brothers. It's about 83 billion. So if you were lucky or good, if you were still short Netflix, as long as it stayed under, these levels have been awesome. Monthly. There's your support. You get below it, guess what happens? It's heading down to this next monthly level, which happens to be the 100 week. So congratulations for those who stayed short, even if you didn't know. There was going to be a dilution basically from 83 billion. Yeah, that's it. Can you even imagine? All right. So anyway, that's the Netflix news this morning. I will also note that this was a recommended short, swing short with Spotify on basically they were hiding out in the stocks that wouldn't be most affected by tariffs, et cetera, but it also started to roll over. Beautiful, beautiful right back here in early October. And it just continues. There's that 50. I mean, they look so similar. Anyway, they're both in distribution with a 10 and 21 breakdown that actually happened back in October. Spotify's still working, and I still have 506, which by the way, happens to be the 100 week where we should have a bounce. So again, Spotify, I'm still pretty focused on this pair trade of swing short into 506 area, which is for Spotify. And then for Netflix, this 91 area. So congrats. That's all I want to say about that. Didn't know they were going to be buying Warner Brothers, but the direction was already in play. You've got Spotify and Netflix moving lower. Spot is actually bouncing off this 556, I swear, with Netflix. These two are just a pair trade. Really. They go down together. They also bounce together. It's eerie. Look at this. It's, oh my God, it's going to go red to green, isn't it? So close to going red to green off of that monthly 99.90. Hysterical. That $83 billion deal for Netflix was kind of ironic that it came right into 99.90 monthly support. It is still a very bearish expansion candle, but they started to monetize puts as soon as this market opened. And Spotify is definitely weak sauce with Netflix, ironically.
Join Club today to engage with Samantha and her team of 10 experts. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description. Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.